Finally, on this security issue, I also want to express our loyalty to the Syrian Democratic Forces, who have been invaluable allies in the fight against terrorism. And we are loyal to our allies because we also know what we owe them. And these Syrian Democratic Forces, with courage, fought alongside the coalition that we supported. And so I think that at this moment, our duty is to uphold their interests and not abandon them, as we sought to do in 2018 when there were the first withdrawals. And I want to tell you here that their full integration into the Syrian transition will first serve your security objective, because they are strong, numerous fighters. And I think your responsibility today is to integrate them and also allow these forces to join with the same objective, to fight against the terrorist groups that destabilize you and to uphold your sovereignty. And everything we can do to help with this, in the service of your security and that of your neighbors, we will do cette même mobilisation. Je vous remercie.